I'm Alan Eden, president of Original Saw Company, and we are really proud to announce that we are adding Williams Hussey product lines to our family of companies this October. I've known the president of Williams Hussey, Steve, for years. We've been friends, and it just seems like a real easy, natural transition to bring his products in with our own. Production will begin at our facility here in Iowa in late October or early November of 2020. We'll be reaching out to current and new customers October 1st just to announce the news and let them know the new contact information. We were really excited about bringing the Williams Hussey molders in with our own product lines because it's a long-standing American brand that's always been manufactured in America and will continue to be manufactured in America in our facility. It really fits in with our long-term goals of our group of companies to expand equipment offerings in the woodworking industry. Please check out our website at originalsaw.com or williamsandhussey.com for product updates as we move forward with moving production to Iowa, as well as take a look at our social media pages.